Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I know I said that I was going to be vlogging and everything, and I have been, but the problem is it's the editing part, and I have not edited anything. So I filmed videos right before the shower, our baby shower and everything, and I have yet to do anything. So maybe I'll just insert some clips, so this video might be scattered around, but anyway, update. I am in my 3rd trimester. Let's give it up for that. I am in the home run today. Well, before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment below. Please leave me suggestions and like questions, because I do want to do like a Q&A. I look crazy. I need my hair done. But anyway, I need to do a Q&A so I can like have a better way of like answering or like talking about stuff, because I can be all over the place, and also I have pregnancy brain, so I don't know what the heck I be talking about half the time. I'm a little out of breath. So today is just gonna be a random vlog. My daughter is downstairs playing, and I am up here about to show you guys a little kiss haul, because they sent me shipment, and I always get lashes, and although I like lashes, I rarely wear them. Like, really, I am a press-on nail girl. I love press-on nails. My nails are not done right now, but I wanted to show you guys the shipment I got. I am a part of the Kiss Ambassador program, and I've been for like the last 2 to 3 years. So when you open it up, it looks like, ooh, don't fall. It looks like this. It's a cord, and it says, "We hope you enjoy these Kiss nails and lashes. We can't wait to see what you have to say about us." And yeah, let's show you guys these. These are like blue. These are short nail, which I think I'm more so into now since I am a mom. These are like a green color. It's a lighter color. I love this shape a lot. This is like a green. I might wear these for Christmas. Oh, it's like a greenish purple. If you tilt it, it's like a, I don't know if you guys can see it. The no glue ones. Personally, I like these, but they don't last long. So if you're doing like a photo shoot, something really quick, these would be the perfect nail for you to put on, because it's not going to stick very long. So I always keep me a side of glue. Like if you're doing something very quick, like really quick, you just need to pop on something because your nails look crazy like mine do right now. This is perfect for you. These have like a Christmassy look to them. They sent me so many nails. I'm so excited because I'm like, this is all I love. I love press-on nails. I've been wearing press-on nails since I was in kindergarten. My mom did my nails for the first time, I believe, my kindergarten graduation. And yeah, I've been wearing I had press-on nails done by her in the house. And then yeah, that's all I buy. But yeah, they sent me lash glue as well. One of these are like lash glue, and it acts as a eyeliner as well. They did send me some lashes. Oh yeah, and they sent me some extra long nails. Like this is the longest nail I've ever had. I'm gonna try them and see how like how it feels to wear, because I see y'all out there wearing these long nails, even longer than these, and I'm like, how do you do that? That's a talent. And we got these two, pretty much applying individual, well not like individual, but like smaller. You guys get the picture. And then what's this? We got something in here. Let's see what this could be. Oh, we got a Samira. Hey girl, hey. Put this right in your purse. I feel like I'm getting a little ashy on my lips. So I have to apply my Oko gloss, of course. Make sure you shop Oko gloss. Oko Butter brand at Oko Butter on Instagram. Check us out. Black owned by me and my daughter. So yeah, I don't know what I want to do today. Like I've already went to my ultrasound earlier, And I was gonna do like a trip to the store. I'm tired. Like my sleep, like the last 2 nights I have not been able to sleep. I don't know what the heck is going on. My goal was to come home and take a nap, but my daughter is wide awake, having a ball, playing with her toys. So looks like I won't be getting a nap until Dad gets home. So we might bake some vegan cookies. I have to show y'all these cookies, but then I really don't want to, because when I be going to the store and not seeing stuff that I like that I found, I get a little upset, you know. Maybe I'll show y'all the cookies, but I won't show y'all what store they in, even though y'all can look it up. But no, trust me, these cookies taste bomb. Like, they are so freaking delicious. They're so delicious, okay? No, I'm determined to like be updated this time and like be dedicated like I was before, because I actually miss YouTube. So yeah, I need you guys to like keep me going. So let me know what you guys want to see on my channel. You have my big belly. I don't know if y'all can see me. Don't mind the room, I have to clean up everything. But yeah. Hey guys. We got hungry and Daddy decided to take us out on a late night Monday.
Yes, a little Monday outing, real fast. You know, we normally cook, but today, you know, we wanted to just come out and enjoy someone, you know, somewhat being catered to. You know.
Yeah, we gotta. Yeah. Anyway, I know I said I was gonna be making some cookies, so we're gonna have to wait for tomorrow for that one. Sweet cheese. Oh, food just came. I got some chicken lo mein. This girl over here is hackling broccoli. And what you got, Dad?
I have the spare ribs with a little slaw on the side here.
Alright guys, as you can see, it's a new day. We decided to go out for a late night, little date night, as y'all can see in the last clip. And I have to put up all this stuff and organize it and things. So we'll see how much I get done today. And still have more shipment downstairs and more shipment on the way. And I'm just like overwhelmed. But I need to get it done. The sun is sunning. Alright, as y'all can see, well, let me be honest, it is day 3 since I started this vlog. So that goes to show you a day in a pregnant girl's life. I've been waiting on my shipment from the Mael brand. I had ordered it for what was that, Cyber Monday? They had like a $5 sale, and like I've been using that brand for the past few months now, and I actually like the shampoo and conditioner. So when I saw it said $5, I said I can't pass this up. Like $5, like come on. So I'll show y'all what I got for this box. Comment below if you use the Mael brand. How does it work for you, and what like products you actually use, because I want to start adding more stuff to my hair regimen. But yeah, I just got it yesterday actually, and I ordered it like 2 weeks ago. My first time ordering this rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil infused with biotin and encourages growth. So I ordered this twisting pomegranate honey twisting souffle. I don't know how you say it. Of course, I got the conditioner, leave-in conditioner. I got the shampoo. Oh, I wanted to show y'all. So like I've been taking a break from like drinking soda. The only soda I really like is ginger ale. So I got put onto these last Christmas when I did my Oco Butter Christmas boxes. One of my customers said that she didn't want alcohol because she don't drink alcohol. I don't drink alcohol either. So then she was like, she don't drink soda or whatever. So I was like, let me see what kind of drink I can get her with like a, you know, she don't like artificial sweeteners and all that stuff. So I did a little Googling, and I went to my local market, and I found this brand in there, and I had got the blackberry. These are so good. Try these. If you already try them, comment below. Let me know which one's your favorite flavor. Alright y'all, I'm back real quick. I am about to braid my hair up for like this crinkly style. You know when your hair get like this, like I really want some braids, but I don't know what style I want, and I feel like I want to wait closer to like birth so that it can just be done fresh and stuff, I guess. I don't know. I really don't be caring about all of that. But when I gave birth to my first child, I had braids, and it was just so easy to just not have to worry about my hair at all. I've been contemplating getting a new phone. Nothing's wrong with my phone, but I can't stand when the phone be like no storage. Like, I hate it so much. So I think I'm gonna order the same phone. I'm gonna upgrade with the same phone, but I'm gonna upgrade my gigabytes, because right now I have like 256 gigs. I'm gonna upgrade to the 512 because at this point I need a larger gigabyte section, because my daughter took over my phone, and now I'm about to have another child, and I already know my photo album is about to be crazy. But yeah, look at my screensaver. Let me show y'all my cute screensaver. Isn't it cute? We so cute or whatever. Say hi.
Hi.
Finally, it's cookie time. Say it's cookie time.
Cookie time.
Alright, y'all. Finally, we making these cookies. This is the brand we always use. I already ate like 2 of them raw, because you can eat it raw. There's no egg in it. And, you know, as you can see here, plant-based, gluten-free, dairy-free, peanut, tree nut-free. Please don't buy them up, because this is our favorite cookie brand. Right, Coco?
Mm-hmm.
I know, girl. Alright, so we about to put these out on there. You want to lay them out?
Yeah.
Start at the oven, because you're on 325. So, lay them out. Lay them out. Lay them out. Oh, goodness. Oh, my word. Let me help you out there, man. Alright, you want to flip it? Go that way. Alright, so we have to... Okay, eat this little piece. Yeah, let's do 12 minutes. I think we did 12 minutes the last time, and it was so soft, but still crunchy. I don't like when cookies get too hard. Like, Alright, so I left the cookies in there for, I think, 13 minutes. And this is exactly, yeah. Okay, let me see. Alright, you want cookie too?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the texture I like. Like, it's kinda, it's like crispy on the rim, the outer, but it's soft. Like, it's soft. Look at that. It's soft. We about to devour these. I'm gonna head upstairs and get ready for bed.